Oh, hi guys, it's Mike again. And company. I got a kitty cat update for you. Thermostat's in. Hydraulic tank's in. Welded. Pump seals fixed. We just gotta put a preheater in that hole there. Except the guy who ordered the preheater, ProHeat, forgot to order a wire harness for it. We ain't gonna say who that was, but it was, sometimes even I make mistakes. Yeah, it'd be alright, but they changed from, they got an amp connection and a Molex. I think it's a MX150. And I need the two spades that go into this and try to find it. Never mind, I'm gonna find it tomorrow, right from where they sell these. So just give me a adapter harness that I can plug in. But they went from the old school round plugs. Of course, I got the wire schematic out from each book, from the old one to the new one, so I know what I'm doing, supposedly. And yeah, that's the newest version, and it's going in there tomorrow after I run, you know, an hour one way to get the damn thing that I forgot when I was there a week ago to get. Yeah, Kyle's got everything else buttoned up. New thermostat's in. We even took the cover off the water pump because this thing had a heating issue. It wouldn't heat up the engine. It wouldn't heat up anything. So we're assuming that the water pump was, the thermostat was open, and so hopefully that's all cured up. Actually, I'm going to boil that thermostat just for fun. And I brought these two jitneys in. It's snowing out again. The old service truck gal, she's got to go out on the road tomorrow morning with both chaps. They're going to go over to their to the woods, and they're going to change a boom chain on a Ponza Buffalo, an old one. And I didn't want it. Look what road salt does in Wisconsin. It's no wonder to look at. She's about had it. She's 400,000, and maybe somebody wants to give me 400,000 for it. That's a 99. You know that. 2018. And yes, it's gonna snow. It is snowing out, so in case I get up early in the morning and plow. So I just thought I'd give you a little, you know, and the dogs wanted to come out and play in the shop, so they got their haircuts on Friday. Isn't he handsome? Are you a good boy? Huh? He's got that cockiness of a poodle, that's what he is. Don't you? Yeah, so that's all I got for you today. It's something. Something's better than nothing. I'll try to conjure up something else yet today, but oh, I do have something. Thanks to all you guys. I don't know what's going on at my channel, but I'm getting all kinds of subscribers, which is awesome. Awesome, awesome. Doesn't Jay Pater say that a lot? He used to. Awesomeness? Something. Anyways, I got to shout out to that guy on my, go check out Fat Dan. Anyways, yeah, I don't know what's going on, but it's just since I opened up this can of worms about a week ago, well, Uncle Tony inspired me with an email, and he said, get off your ass and start doing videos again. And I went, don't mess with Uncle Tony. No, sir. So I started doing videos again, and actually he just helped motivate me a little bit with a little bit of encouragement. So here we are a week later, and it's just keep it up. And I was looking at the statistics, and 70% of my viewership are still unsubscribed. Hit the subscribe button, and you know, I don't know what it does, but it helps, I guess. That's what everybody else says. It helps, pushing the subscribe button and the notification dingy dong, ding, 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 dinger bell. So, all right, I'm running off at the mouth. We will talk to you later. Thanks for watching. Keep your stick on the ice.
Who else says that? All right. See you, bye.